They have no place to sleep, no one to talk to. They live in fear. Fear of being chased by the Civil Service Police Unit. Fear of having no food to eat for the day. Fear of being intimidated and harassed by the street gang boss. Fear of what may happen tomorrow, let alone the future.
This documentary film tells of how the life of street kids is transformed from living in fear to learning practical skills and contributing to society. They learn how to recycle and how to change processed waste paper, unused wood and banana sheet into valuable materials and beautiful crafts.
Tinggal di sini udah setahun lebih. Kadang saya kalau ngamen dapat ya nggak seberapa sih ya, penting untuk makan di sisi perut aja.
The transformation is not always smooth sailing, yet slowly but surely.
Saya jadi tinggal di jalan kurang lebih 6-5 tahun, Bang.
The children learn practical skills and put street life behind them.
Awalnya saya di jalan, ngamen, ya kehidupan di jalan apapun saya lakuin, yang penting saya bisa makan.
This is how a foundation can change lives.
Living on the street is about survival. Some kids survive by begging or busking. Others join street gangs and get involved in criminal actions, such as stealing luxury car rear-view mirrors. Some even go for the extreme, becoming the so-called Kapak Merah or Red Axe gang members. Street kids are a social phenomenon of big cities like Jakarta. We could find them in many parts of the city, including North Jakarta area. Most of the street kids have no skills or dropped out of school for various reasons. This condition has encouraged Kumala Foundation in North Jakarta to pick up street kids and empower them by giving them practical skills.
Ketika gabung mereka kan belum punya skill ya untuk gabung di usaha produksi kita. Nah itu kita ajari keterampilan tertentu itu mereka langsung diceburkan gitu, istilahnya langsung praktek. Ketika kalian cuman belajar motong pelepah pisang atau merobek kertas untuk bahan kertas, itu kalian sudah pada tahapan pelatihan, tapi itu pun kita bayar. Jadi mengajarkan kemandirian ya, biar nggak tergantung.
Street kids come from different backgrounds. Some come from poor families in villages and are hoping to find work in the capital city. Others come from broken families.
Nah ada juga yang rentan. Nah ini yang kita banyak tangani ini, anak jalanan yang rentan. Karena apa? Mereka itu berasal dari keluarga kebanyakan lah ya, ada yang mampu, ada yang sebetulnya mereka dalam skala ekonomi kurang tapi masih mempunyai keluarga atau ibu dan ayahnya.
However, encouraging street kids to come to the foundation and learn practical skills is not easy. Some return to the streets again as they find living in the foundation to be boring.
Nah, ketika kita sudah melakukan pendekatan ke anak jalanan, itu pun tidak serta-merta lancar begitu saja. Ada tantangan-tantangan tertentu. Misalnya anak jalanan yang berada dalam kelompok anak jalanan. Itu kan punya ketua kelompoknya yang kita sebut abang-abangan lah kalau di jalanan. Untuk pendekatan ke situ kita harus melakukan pendekatan lebih dahulu ke abang-abangannya. Jadi kalau kita lah ngambil atau ngerekrut langsung anaknya itu bisa jadi konflik. Kita nanti diancam, diserang gitu. Tapi kalau kita melakukan pendekatan ke abang-abangannya itu bisa lancar, semuanya bisa kita rekrut.
It takes time for the foundation mentors to convince them. Often, the mentors live with the street kids for months or even a year, just to convince them that there is another better place to live.
Ketika kita ingin mendekati anak jalanan, ya kita harus nyebur dulu, jadi mereka dulu gitu. Kalau perlu ya, kalau dulu saya sering dimerahin rambut gitu ya, pakai anting, bawa gitar, itu upaya-upaya untuk pendekatan. Karena pertama itu membangun kepercayaan dulu dari mereka. Kalau kita rapih seperti ini, kita ke jalanan, mereka udah pergi duluan gitu ya. Nah itu pola-pola sederhana seperti itu perlu kita terapkan.
The Kumala Foundation activities in helping street children in Tanjung Priok area, North Jakarta, are supported by Pertamina Hulu Energy, offshore Northwest Java, or PHE-ONWJ. The foundation and the company are committed to carry out the social duty through their complementary roles.
We actually met with Kumala during a radio interview. And at that time, during the radio interview, we heard Kumala has a lot of good program. And then this is for children who live on the street. And then when we asked about where they are located, the location is actually also close to our operating area. So, you know, when we look at the program, this is very close to our area, something that we can help, and they are very serious. Then we follow up with continuous discussion. And then we realized that there are a lot that we can support them, you know, in order to move these children out from the street and get them something to work. So that's the idea. Close to our environment and consistent with our objective to help people, community near our operating area to grow along with us.
Kumala Foundation trains the street kids how to recycle waste paper and unused wood provided by PHE-ONWJ into something valuable.
We provided unused material that do not need to have a very complicated, write-off process. This is unused material. Give it to them, and then they will work it out, create the new products that can add value. So, no value from us, deliver to them, they work out something, and then you can see different kind of many products that can add value, and then they can sell it to a public audience. So in that case, we give up job opportunity to children that previously, work on the street, not certain. Now they can have something to do and add value to the product.
Saya bikin frame, kotak, shopping bag. Saya tugasnya saya berdua sama Agil.
Saya di sini ya bantu-bantu ini aja, bantu-bantu daur ulang kertas atau handicraft dalam tuh.
Lebih fokus itu daur ulang kertas, nyetak kertas.
Ya.
Iya. Kalau handicraft kurang paham.
Ya alhamdulillah dari pengolahan kertas dari awal sampai akhir sampai ke handicraft. Mungkin kalau handicraft kan bukan bagian saya. Tapi sedikit-sedikit saya udah bisa. Iya, tapi kalau kertas dari awal sampai akhir saya bisa.
Saya tugas di sini di Kumala buat kertas, nyetak kertas. Ya, dari motongin sampai nyuci sampai nyetak.
The street kids learn how to process banana sheath into a beautiful craft. They learn practical skills and make money in a proper way.
Hasil produk mereka ternyata bisa dibeli, bisa dihargai oleh orang yang tidak biasa kan, bukan anak jalanan yang belinya, tapi ini perusahaan loh gitu, seperti itu. Jadi ada kepercayaan diri, merasa dihargai gitu. Nah itu membuat mereka semakin dalam merubah mental perilakunya semakin baik ya.
Pertamina Hulu Energy Offshore Northwest Java support the Kumala Foundation in providing vocational skill to these street children in our operating area. This is part of our effort to empower the community. Through this program, the company plays an active role in helping resolve social and economic problems in this area.
The works of the foundation have changed the street kids' lives. They are proud of their work because they can make money.
Target utama kita adalah bisa mandiri sesuai dengan norma masyarakat. Sebetulnya mereka kan sudah mandiri ya di jalan itu, sudah bisa mencari uang, tapi kan tidak sesuai dengan norma masyarakat yang ada. Masyarakat menganggap itu mengganggu ketertiban, sampah kota misalnya. Nah itu bagaimana kita bisa memanfaatkan potensi-potensi mereka menjadi sesuatu hal yang bermanfaat buat masyarakat.
We are hoping that one day these kids leave the street living all together, find works and return to the community. At the end of the day, the society benefits as social problems decline.
Alhamdulillah saya tinggal di sini bisa itu ada kemajuan.
Saya merasa nyaman gitu tinggal di sini. Udah kayak keluarga sendiri, enak di sini.
Diajarin cara bikin kertas ulang, bikin handicraft, segala komputer saya diajarin. Ya alhamdulillah sekarang saya udah punya penghasilan yang tetap, biarpun itu masih kecil.
Saya mantan anak jalanan, alhamdulillah saya sekarang sudah bekerja sebagai supir pribadi, seorang eksekutif Pertamina PHE ONWJ.
Kumala Foundation, with the support of PHE ONWJ, has changed the street kids' lives. They put a smile on the street kids' face. The kids are no longer living in a state of fear in the street. They can now see the light and hope for a bright future.
Pertamina, for a better future.